Hello, IndabaX, Uganda. I've been watching you come up, and it's been amazing to see the amount of participation. So, Anthony, I think you might find an answer to your question here along with Joyce's. So, ZINDI is a community of data scientists solving Africa's toughest challenges. We're a data science competition platform. So ZINDI is a social enterprise whose mission is to mobilize a vibrant community to solve Africa's problems. And this is seen so well in IndabaX, Uganda. And we got this lovely quote from Lawrence from Microsoft, and I think it's very apt. The only way we are going to fix Africa's problems is with African solutions that come from Africans. So just ZINDI to date, we've got 28,000 data scientists on ZINDI. They're from 48 different African countries. They're about 75% of our database is from Africa, which is quite amazing. We have 6,000 Twitter followers, and we have about 250,000 views on ZINDI per week. A very exciting number regarding ZINDI is that 25% of our users are female, and this is well above industry rate, and we pride ourselves in that, and that we're a safe space for women. So just ZINDI to date, we've launched 150 competitions and hackathons. I think IndabaX Uganda took us to 157 hackathons and competitions, so thank you for that. We have up to 2,000 data scientists that compete in a challenge, and we've given out almost $250,000 to data scientists, which IndabaX Uganda has contributed to, so thank you. We also hosted the largest Pan-African virtual hackathon. So this was a 2-day event, and we had over 1,000 students from 25 universities participating, from over 126 universities participating. So Anthony, just an example of a ZINDI competition. I'm going to be walking you through the hackathon that was hosted for IndabaX Uganda. And then I'll just explain how that works. So with ZINDI, we target a wide range of problems. We look at agricultural problems. So we've used satellite data to determine crop yield, to determine what crops they are. We've worked with companies such as ZINDI to predict the likelihood of loan default and fraud. We've worked with Childline Kenya to forecast the number of calls per hour for their call center. And then we've again worked with AirQuo from Uganda to predict air quality using weather data. So the way a ZINDI competition works is, let me just, I don't know how to go about this. Let's just talk about the passion fruit competition. So this was created specifically from IndabaX by the Makerere University. They came to us with a problem of passion fruit diseases. So a passion fruit can either be healthy, it can be diseased with woody spots or brown spots. So the competition was given a bunch of images. Can you classify, or can you tell which images are sick or not? So this was a 1-day hackathon. We had 61 data scientists enroll. And congratulations to Martin, who had an accuracy of 98%. So I think he misclassified 2 fruit, which is incredible. So I'm just going to exit that. Can you still see my screen?
Yes, sure.
Oh, yeah. So this is just what a ZINDI competition looks like. So for future reference, Anthony, we give a description of what the competition is. Makerere wants to see if they can take the solution and put it onto a Raspberry Pi to give it to farmers in rural Uganda so that they can determine if their fruit is healthy or not, which is quite interesting. The evaluation for this competition was accuracy. And we had 300,000 solution prize money. So for the data, most of our competitions, we start with a starter notebook. So if you're new to machine learning, this is a great place to start. It shows you how to read the data. It gives a bit of an explanation of what model you want to use and why you would use that model. And then we have our images, because this was a computer vision competition. We then have our train and test split over here. So there were 2,000 images generated for this competition. And so out of about 1,000 images, Martin managed to classify 988 of them correctly, which I think is quite amazing in about 13 hours. So well done, Martin. So what happens in a ZINDI competition is you run your model, you get a submission, and you submit it onto ZINDI, and then you appear on our leaderboard. So every time you improve a submission, you get placed on our leaderboard, which is quite exciting. Sorry, Martin got 99% accuracy, so I think he misclassified one image, which again is just amazing. So along with ZINDI hackathons, we also have competitions. Competitions are open to everyone, and we have prize money that goes up. We also have knowledge competitions. So if you're new to machine learning or you just want to try out ZINDI, we recommend that you try knowledge competitions. Knowledge competitions come with starter notebooks, and they cover NLP, so sentiment analysis, Swahili news classification. We've got some forecasting problems, some prediction problems. Yep, so a great place to start your machine learning career. And congratulations to Martin. We have just handed over the solution
Ronnie,
to, yes?
I'm in a meeting.
We handed over the solution, Martin's solution, to the host of this competition, and he was very impressed, and he's excited to put it into production. The Uganda participants have a bit of a head start. In the middle of next month, 13th of October, we're launching a similar challenge again. So this one will be a bit harder, but hopefully Martin and the other participants have the right foot forward. Does anyone have any questions about ZINDI or the hackathon?
So far, I can't see any, but we can wait. Maybe somebody can pop up with a question.
Otherwise, I'm just going to hang on this call, watch a couple more presentations if anyone has any questions.